This lesson covers suffixes that make plurals. Your keywords: suffix and plural. You also need the plural rule. A suffix is a letter or letters that you add to the end of a word. Suffixes can be used to create plurals. The plural of a word is showing that there is more than one of something. Nouns are most often made plural by adding the suffix s. Nouns not made plural by just adding s are made plural by adding es. The plural rule. Add an s or es, it's no mystery. The end of word letters are my key. But o-ending nouns, I must confess, make me worry, give me stress. To make them plural, I'd better not guess. Here are pointers that offer some clues. These are rules I'll remember to use. For words that end in s, sh, ch, x, or z, add es. For words that end in ch, that makes a k sound, add s. For nouns that end in a vowel plus o, add s. For nouns that end in a consonant plus o, add either s or es. Be consistent. Also note that some nouns ending in a consonant plus o have a preferred ending, s over es. Okay, to sum up these rules, if your word that you are making plural ends in an s, sh, ch, x, or z, you're going to add es. Keep in mind, English always has an exception, and we're noting here that for words that end in a ch that makes a k sound, you want to add an s. For nouns that end in a vowel, a, e, I, o, or u, and then o, you want to add s. And then for nouns that end in a consonant and o, you can add either s or es. Usually there's not a wrong one, although it does note again that some nouns end in a consonant no and have a preferred ending. You can always check your spelling by looking your new word up in the dictionary. Even plurals can be found in the dictionary. Now practice. Pause the video and make the following words plural. Then check your work. Receive, stomach, tornado, igloo, radish. Write these words down, then refer back to the rules on the previous screen. Now check your work. Receive, you should have just added an s. Stomach, you should have just added an s. For number 3, you could have chosen to add either es or just an s. For receive, you should have just added an s. For stomach, which has a ch that makes that k sound, you should have just added an s. Tornado, you could have chosen to add either es or s. Igloos, 2 vowels, the last one's an o, so we just add an s. And radishes, we just add es because it ends in sh. Now take the rules that you've learned and go ahead and practice them on this week's spelling assignment, due Friday when you take your final exam.